Now let us see how we can download and install latest version of Python on our Windows 11 computer. Now here, first we have to open up a browser and we will enter the website address as python.org, and then we will hit the enter key and we will open up the Python official website. Now here we can straight away see the downloads. If I take the cursor on that, we can see the options to install Python by using the Python install manager, or we can use the standalone installer in order to install Python. Now here I will choose Python install manager. If I click on this Python install manager, it will be downloaded. I'm using this Python install manager because it will simplify a lot of stuff that we have to do. Now here, once the download is complete, we will click on this open file. It will launch the Python install manager. Now here, first we have to install this Python install manager. We will check this option which says launch when ready, and then we will click on this install Python. This will install the Python install manager. And once the Python install manager is installed, the terminal application will be opened, and here we have to answer certain things so that all the settings are properly configured. Now the first thing is to allow the paths longer than 260 characters. Here we will enter Y and then we will hit the enter key. If it asks for any permission, then click on yes and provide the permission. Now the second question is about updating the path environment variable with the Python install location. Again here we will enter Y and answer as yes, and after that I will hit the enter key. Now the next question is about downloading and installing the latest version of CPython. Again here we will enter Y and answer yes, and after that we will hit the enter key. Now it will download and install the Python. Now apart from this, if you get any other questions, you can read the question, and if you have any doubt, you can answer Y or yes and you can continue. Now here, after the installation process, it says, do you want to open up the online help? If I enter Y here and hit the enter key, it will open up the browser and it will display the help for using Python on Windows. Now here, I'm going to close this browser. Now the Python has been properly installed in our computer. The next thing that we do is we will make sure that everything is properly working. In order to check that, we will click on the start button. We will search for terminal and we will open up the terminal app. If terminal is not available, then you can open up the command prompt also. And here we will enter Python space -- version. And if you hit the enter key, then you will see the version of Python that is installed. Also, you can perform py space -- version, and it will display the same thing. Now, instead of these messages, or instead of displaying the Python version that is installed in your computer, if you get any error messages stating that Python is not found or something like that, then it means that there was some issue while installing the Python. You may have to install it again.